welcome back to my channel. So I've been invited to my girl's birthday dinner and I have nothing to wear. By nothing I mean I don't have anything within the theme of the dinner. So today we're gonna try and see if we can make something with the fabrics that I have already on hand, because yeah. And I've noticed that I'm always making tops that I literally have no skirts, I have no dresses. My closet is full of tops. So we need to change that starting today. So today I'm thinking we're gonna make a dress, but let's go see what I have in my stash of fabrics and see what we can do. So we found something that we can use today. This is how the skirt looks. It's like a faded brown chocolate, and I love how it looks against my skin. Like, it looks so good as a cute dress. So I'm not really sure if it's going to be enough fabric for what I was thinking, but let me show you guys a little sketch that I made. So this is the design that I initially wanted, but I don't think I'm going to have enough fabric to make it exactly like this. So yeah, but this is the idea that I want. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I like the silhouettes, so just make the dress like that, like that. And on the sketch, as you guys saw, I wanted to have like an open back, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough fabric to put on here and on the back pieces. Okay, so I've put the skirt on inside out to just kind of see where I should cut and get a rough draft of what I'm working with. So now I have the front and the back pieces cut out. This is the front piece. I've decided to keep the button detail. I think it's so cute and I low-key like it. So I'm gonna pin it on myself and try to figure out what I'm gonna do about the rest of this dress, the top part, because the pieces that I've left are so tiny that I cannot continue doing what I had planned initially. I'm just gonna play around with these pieces until I freestyle something that makes sense. But it all come falling down.
Yeah, feel it a little, feel it a lot. I'm swimming a bit, but deeper in thought. Keeping my head on top of my shoulders. Into some shit, I'm out of the box. This the level I'm on, need it all right now and forever it's gone. Baby, the weather is strong, whether it's hot or cold, we're coming knocking on your door. Well, I'ma maintain, I'm staying so high. Got her all the way up till we touching the sky. And you know you're dead wrong, you in love with a lie. All I wanna do is free your mind. We don't see no lines, we don't color a side. It's a very small world, we don't fuck with the size. Yeah, see the bigger picture when it's beneficial. Loving how it makes you blow the whistle when you run out. Yeah, waking up, I open up my eyes. Do you mind if I blow your mind? A little closer, baby, don't be shy. Why you worried that it's gonna be fine? I guess that. Oh my god. Okay, I think I need to take it in.
on the sides a little bit. Like, where's the stitch? Oh, I need to take it in like a little bit here. But it's so cute. It's so cute. And I kept the original slipper. These think stitch them on the get out. Get out. And then you can also like make it thicker if you like that. Okay, so I've got to put it on the side here.